Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I am going to draw for you different types of healthy vegetables. First one I draw, this is called broccoli. And here I am drawing a beautiful tomato. Do you eat healthy vegetables regularly? You should eat healthy vegetables regularly because it is good for health. Now I am drawing, this is called radish. Here I am drawing, this is called cucumber. Do you like cucumber? We eat cucumber as salad. You can take it to the school as tiffin. Now I am drawing, this is called carrot. You like carrot? I like it so much. We eat carrot also as a salad. Here I am drawing, this is called capsicum. This is very healthy. Now I am drawing a beautiful corn. This is called corn. And the last one vegetable I am drawing here, this is called brinjal or eggplant. So what is this, kids? This is brinjal. I completed to draw the picture. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using different types of watercolor to color these beautiful vegetables. I'm using here light green color for broccoli. Do you know what is the color of a tomato? Yes, tomato is deep green and red color. Radish is deep green and deep pink color. Cucumber is also deep green color. Carrot is light green and orange color. Capsicum is always deep green color. Corn is always yellow color and the corn's leaf is light green color. Brinjal is always purple color, but kids, sorry, here I am using deep blue color by mistake. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.